Hello, welcome to another IT portal training video. In this video, we're going to cover our password rotation integration with Microsoft Office 365. I'm going to just briefly show you the settings. You want to go to Admin Settings, Integrations, Data, Office 365. You do want to make sure that you have your integration already set up for Office 365, and there's a separate KB for that. But once you've got all of this set up, you're going to see this new checkbox here that we've recently added. We do ask you that you reference this KB article as well for this, because we have here in this KB article, we have a PowerShell script that you're going to want to run, which is going to set the appropriate permissions to allow the portal to change the passwords. Once you do that, you're going to see these buttons here. Do click this one just to synchronize the users. And then click here, portal rotate, just to adjust the settings. So we do ask you to give it a name, and I'll show you where this name comes up later. We do ask that you pick either a type of contact or a type of account from the pull down. So what this will do is whenever we set something to synchronize, if an account doesn't exist, for example, we're going to automatically create that account for you. If there's any email addresses that you want to exclude from being synchronized, you can do those here as well. Those will ensure that those users cannot synchronize. They are comma separated. And then you do want to pick your password policy, whether it's standard or passphrase. And we do recommend that before you start synchronizing anything, that you go in here and you look at those password policies, right? Make sure that you've got the appropriate settings in here for that policy. Once you've gone ahead and configured those settings, I'm going to go into settings here just to see what company it's mapped to. So it looks like we're mapped to this company called Dev. So I'm going to go to that company. I'm going to go to Options, Agents. Now here we show the Contact, Active Directory, and Portal Rotate Agents. Here I see the one that I created. I just named it Agent. Again, that's why I wanted you to reference the name, because it'll be listed here. And then you have the option to take some of these users and send them to sync nightly. And they will sync as part of the Office 365 nightly sync that we already have set up. And if you also just want to force a synchronization, you can select the users and say rotate password now. At that point, the portal will actually do the synchronization process, and that's pretty much it. The password would be rotated. You also have the option to manually set a mapping. So if you go in here and you pick a different user, for example, it'll map it for you automatically. Also, you have the option, if you don't have a mapping in place, it'll also just automatically map it for you. It'll just create this James Smith, for example, as a new account based on the mapping settings that I had done before. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.